Okay, we're getting ready to foam fill these stringers. Let's starting with front. This up to here. I made this little cardboard stop. Hopefully it'll stop the foam from running down towards the back of the boat, and we're gonna backfill from the stop to the front and see how it goes. I don't know, we never did this before, so first time, we don't know what to expect. But here it goes. Yeah, there's my stopper in place. Can't get a good shot because of the sun angle, but it's in there. 90% of the gap is taken up. And we're getting ready to mix some foam and pour. This is actually going to be a decent size pour. That's a full liter. Okay, so what's the plan for the pour? Mix it and pour. That's the plan. But from where? From back to front. That makes sense. So it's in front there, expanding. Cardboard hasn't moved, so it looked like it was good enough. Pour number 2. Shadows. You can see it here too. Pour number 3. Pour number 4. Okay, I was a little heavy-handed with this foam pour. Made quite a mess. got this front lip glued on. I won't go around doing the rest. And we only got 4 clamps, so I'm gonna do a section at a time. And probably be working on transom template in between sections. Couple drops of hardener. Oh, that's a lot. I'm gonna do a skim coat under the lip and then put some on the actual fiberglass piece. We'll start with 1 clamp in the middle. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna clean that up and let that cure. And once that's cured, we gotta do it 3 more times. Okay. Got it cleaned up, all the squeeze out. And once that kicks off, we could remove the clamps and get the next piece in. Hey, hey, look at here. We got Kusa. Kusa board it is. We got Kusa. Yeah.